We've already seen the design library is a great place to find pre-made cuts, but it's also a great place to find forming tools. A forming tool is used to bend, stretch, or otherwise deform a sheet metal part. You can find a collection of forming tools in the Forming Tools folder of the design library. Let's take a look at how to add one of these features to a sheet metal part. From the Embosses folder, I'll drag the dimple feature onto a face of my part. Watch as I drag the dimple. I can see a preview as I drag across the faces of my part. The default direction is to go into the face I drag it onto. To change the direction of the feature, I can hit the Tab key on the keyboard before I let go of my mouse button. If you look at the top of the Property Manager, you'll notice that there are two tabs here. Here, I can use dimensions or relations to position the point. Here, I can set a rotation angle or flip the tool if I need to. I can make any changes, and when I click the check, the part updates.